How to comment photo in TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can comment photos in TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically comment photos in TikTok, let's say you open up TikTok application, you want to comment on someone's post, but you want to comment as a photo. You don't want to basically comment a normal comment. Now, as you can see, overall when you open the TikTok application, in the comment section there is no option to actually upload a photo. The only thing that you can do is actually you can go ahead and choose to add some emojis if you'd like here. Otherwise, if you don't have emojis, you can just choose to mention someone that might have, and then you should be able to add them. But other than that, so far TikTok has not yet added a feature that you can comment a photo. Hopefully, if in the future they might come up with such type of feature, I will also make sure to update to you about it. So until then, you can stay subscribed. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.